Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be making twists on my beautiful girl's hair. So I made this hair with Kinky hair extension and it came out really nice. So you can try Kinky hair extension on your daughter's hair as well because it tends to last longer than the normal hair extension, because the longer this hair is on the hair, the more the beauty of the hair comes out. So you can try it if you want. Anyway, so I sectioned the hair into three. Then I put one was at the back, and then the two other half was at the side from the front of the hair. And yeah, so I braided from the scalp for like 4 to 5 times, after which I twisted the remaining part of the extension. So there are two ways to twisting the hair if you braided the hair from the root. So if you braid the hair for like 4 to 5 times, you twist either by putting two of the legs in one place and then one of the leg in another side. That's so you have two legs and then you twist them together, or spread the third leg into the two other legs and then you twist. Some people twist directly from the scalp, like they don't braid this hair from the scalp before they start to twist. They just twist from the scalp of the hair. But I don't tend to like that style because it doesn't hold the hair the way I want. Anyways, it's your choice as to which one of them you should use. But for this one, this hairstyle, I braid from the scalp, then I twist it. I would like you to watch the video and observe what I'm doing. Watch my hands clearly if you want to learn. So this extension is a very versatile and very good extension because it gives like natural vibes. It looks like your natural hair, even if it's curls small, but if you pair it to your hair, it's sort of look like your hair compared to normal extension. So if you want to get the if you want your kinky hair to be bouncy, you don't twist too tight. For this hair, I twisted a bit tight for some of them, and it actually still came out nice. So I would not want to do much talking on this hair. I just want to leave you to enjoy the hair, watch it, do well to give the video a big thumbs up, smash the like button, share the video, drop a comment, and do every other good stuff. If you have not subscribed to the channel and probably you're new here, hi, my name is Nelly and I make hair content. I bring hair content to your doorstep and lifestyle videos as well. So do well to join the family by clicking on the subscribe button. Okay. Um to my returning subscriber, thank you for coming back again. It means that you sort of fancy what I do on this channel and I so much appreciate it. I'm not taking it for granted. I love you guys so much, and yes, I'll see you again in my next video. Don't go anywhere. Sit back and watch the video till the end. Until then, bye.